guys, so this video is gonna have a voiceover just about most of it. It was supposed to be my very first video I had posted last year. My friend was gonna edit it, and then he did, but we had never made a intro or an outro. We had forgot to film, and in the process of never doing that, we lost the drone footage. It was a whole 5.5 minutes of a truck in the pit. We did also end up burning a whole liter of transmission fluid later on once I took it to get an oil change at a dealership. We had to get it topped off. My transmission was not happy. We had got the bar all the way up, spread. It cooled off and we drove it home to nothing. Transmission took it, but oh man. We had our met up at a gas station like 15-20 cars deep. I didn't record none of that. Or I might have, we might have lost the footage. Shout out to my boy Chente for helping us film. We went to go get some tires off the Facebook Marketplace. We also went to, once we got back, we had to go look for a jack, the impact gun, before we could even go in the pit. We only got about 1.5 minutes of DJI footage. But man, we had got the whole thing in the drone. If I ever find a drone video, I will post it on its own. We also lost a few other clips and videos. It happened a minute, you know. This was from last year, a little bit over a year ago. Going at it back to back, no brakes, no nothing. The truck was not happy. Well, the truck was happy, the transmission was not happy. This little single cab only got a little more video time because I was talking throughout it. I did a little bit of talking. Yeah. There's a little DJI, got a little gamble to it, so don't move even if you move it. Where'd you get it with? Amazon? Oh, like 350 DJI. And look, with this, like 350. With this, you can move it a little bit slowly and you can zoom in and out a little bit. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I gotta go pick up some tires in a little bit. Hey, you think I could leave you recording or something? Are you gonna be here or you're gonna go to the drag strip? I'm gonna put his IG screen right now. Basically recorded this full video. I have 150 because I left after barely 50 minutes of being there. I had to go get some tires, so. Well, that's over when, yeah. If I figure out how to edit at it, it's gonna be for YouTube. I just don't know how to edit for shit. Hey, wasn't one recording today? Yeah, I got his drone in my truck. We'll probably pull out the drone when I go out there. I wonder what the microphone be picking up, like if you just hear the truck and the music, or if you can hear. I fucked around with it a little bit, I never really used it too much. Huh? Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah. In and out a little bit. And then with this one, you can move it's very slowly, but you can move the camera. Awesome, yeah. P.S. That was way over here. I can edit a little bit now, and they don't take me as long anymore. So time consuming, but I was bad. Man, I'm low-key sick. I wasn't there to see that one. I had to have been when I was gone. They're looking for a jacket. Man, that one. I had a second camera. I could have like recorded the little POV of leaving and coming back and the tires, funny, jack, this and that. But I did not think I was trying to record.
to stay in the vehicle on the burnout path.
Brody could have hopped in the bed of the truck to get that sick video. But shout out my dog for recording basically this full video. Sucks it didn't get posted for this long, but it's about to be up now. Gotta start somewhere though, we learning as we go. If I had the full vid, I would have the full time in there. I would have took some parts out, you know, maybe a little bit like I was whipping better. But since we only got this minute and a half, you know, we gonna put the whole thing in there. And but plus, besides, that was the first time I ever was in the legal pit. The only ever time I was in the legal pit was my truck actually. But you know, I used to always spin that thing back in Mexico. Any little parking lot down in Mexico, little side streets down in Mexico, anything I could. Yeah, and that's crazy. Look at how she looks right now, and then like in this video, and then look to how she looks now. She looked good then, but oh man, she looks way nicer now. But I don't know, I did kind of miss that little. I do kind of miss a little tiny bit. Not that I miss it, but the chrome on the grill. When I had the chrome 22, I still got the 22, but when I had the chrome 22s on there with the chrome grill, because I had them saved on my old phone, so I lost the full vid. It's just about damn near popped, mainly the right one, I believe so, if I remember correctly. The little drone piece from the old phone I had. I low-key love those little videos of the drone.
Shout out to my niggas posted on the block. They be selling all the bows, that's why they pockets filled with nuts. Any nigga got a problem, pull up and we get it poppin'. They can say you got that work, but I heard you ain't even copping. Damn.
This is where the video about to end at, guys. No outro. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe. You know, most of our videos at Miley, you know, but gotta keep them going.